Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Salman Riza, and in this video, I will be discussing the .NET framework. This session will help you understand what .NET is, its key features, and why it's such a powerful tool for software development. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how .NET simplifies application development. So let's get started. .NET is a powerful software development framework that provides a structured environment for building applications efficiently. It supports multiple programming languages like C Sharp, VB.NET, and F Sharp, making it a versatile choice for developers. With a rich set of tools and libraries, .NET simplifies the development process, allowing programmers to create web, mobile, desktop, and cloud applications seamlessly. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding .NET is essential for modern software development. In this video, we will explore what .NET is, how it works, and why it's widely used in the tech industry. .NET is a popular choice for developers because of its flexibility, performance, and security. It supports cross-platform development, allowing applications to run seamlessly on Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux. With .NET, developers can build a wide range of applications, including web, desktop, and mobile solutions, making it a versatile framework for various industries. Additionally, strong security and reliability are built in .NET, ensuring that applications are stable and protected against vulnerabilities. .NET was developed by Microsoft as a robust framework to simplify software development across various platforms. Its journey began with a beta release in 2000, followed by an official launch in 2002, marking the beginning of a new era in application development. Over the years, .NET has evolved significantly, introducing powerful features and expanding its capabilities to support web, desktop, and mobile applications. The .NET architecture is designed to provide a structured and efficient environment for developing applications. At the top, the .NET application run within the framework, which acts as an intermediary between the application and the underlying system. The .NET framework provides essential libraries, runtime services, and development tools that simplify coding and enhance performance. At the core, the operating system and hardware serve as a foundation, allowing .NET applications to interact seamlessly with different platforms. The .NET framework consists of several key components that work together to create a seamless development environment. At its core, the common language runtime manages memory, security, and execution, ensuring applications run efficiently. The base class library provides reusable code, while ADO.NET supports data access with LINQ and XML integration. ASP.NET enables web development, while Windows Form allows for desktop applications. The common language specification ensures interoperability across multiple languages like C Sharp, VB, and JavaScript. Finally, Visual Studio.NET serves as the integrated development environment, bringing all these components together for a streamlined coding experience. The .NET architecture consists of several components that work together to create a powerful and flexible development environment. The language components include technologies like WinForms, ADO.NET, and ASP.NET, enabling the development of various types of applications. The library component, known as the Framework Class Library (FCL), provides a vast collection of reusable code for tasks like data handling, UI development, and security. At the core, the Common Language Runtime component serves as the execution engine, managing memory, security, and performance. The platform offers support for a variety of programming languages, making it easier for developers to work with their preferred tools. It includes popular .NET languages like C Sharp, VB.NET, C++, J Sharp, and F Sharp, which are commonly used for building applications within the .NET framework. On the top of that, It also supports well-known third-party languages such as Python, COBOL, Pascal, and many more. This wide range of language options gives developers the flexibility to use familiar coding styles and integrate existing projects seamlessly. In the .NET framework, the compilation process follows a structured flow that ensures code written in different languages can run efficiently. Developers can write code in any supported .NET language. Each of these languages has its own dedicated compiler, such as VB.NET compiler or C# compiler, which translates the source code into intermediate language code. This intermediate language code is a platform independent set of instructions that can be further processed by the .NET runtime. During execution, the Common Language Runtime uses a just-in-time compiler to convert the intermediate code into machine code that can run on the target system. This process allows .NET to support multiple languages while ensuring efficient performance and compatibility. In the .NET framework, code written in supported languages is not directly compiled into machine code. Instead, it is first compiled into an intermediate language. This intermediate language code is a platform independent representation of the original code. When the application runs, the Common Language Runtime steps in and compiles the intermediate language code into machine code using the just-in-time compiler. The just-in-time compilation happens only when a function or subroutine is called, ensuring efficient use of resources. Once compiled, the just-in-time processed code stays in memory for faster execution during subsequent calls. However, if memory is limited, the just-in-time code may be discarded, meaning the system will need to recompile it when the code is accessed again. This dynamic process balances performance with memory management in .NET applications. The Common Language Runtime (CLR) is a key component of the .NET framework that acts like a virtual machine, managing the execution of the program written in different .NET languages. By providing a unified runtime environment, the CLR ensures that code written in the supported languages can run seamlessly. To maintain consistency, all .NET languages must adhere to the rules and standards defined by the CLR. These standards covers important aspects of the programming such as object declaration, creation, and usage, ensuring that data types and language libraries functions uniformly across different .NET languages. The CLR also enforces consistent practices for error and exception handling, improving applications, enhancing the development experience by offering debugging, code management, and other helpful tools. By standardizing these core elements, the CLR plays a crucial role in enabling cross-language compatibility and ensuring smooth application execution within the .NET ecosystem. The key features of CLR are Common Language Specification, Common Type System, Garbage Collector, and Just-in-Time Compiler, which are described as follows. The Common Language Runtime comes with several important features that contribute to the efficiency and reliability of .NET applications. These key features include Common Language Specification, which ensures that different .NET programming languages follow a common set of rules and standards. By enforcing these guidelines, Common Language Specification enables seamless language interoperability, allowing developers to combine code written in multiple .NET languages. Since each programming language has its own way of defining data type, Common Type System ensures that all data types are understood uniformly across .NET environment. This promotes consistency and smooth integration when working with multiple languages. CLR's garbage collector feature automatically manages memory by identifying and freeing unused objects. This helps optimize performance and prevent memory leaks, reducing the need for manual memory management. The just-in-time compiler plays a crucial role in improving performance by converting common intermediate language code into machine code or native code just before execution. This dynamic compilation ensures efficient resource use by compiling only the required code at runtime. The framework class library is an extensive collection of reusable classes, interfaces, and value types that form the foundation of .NET applications. At the heart of the FCL lies the base class library, which provides essential functionalities that developers rely on when developing softwares. The base class library includes core libraries for tasks such as input output operations, collections, security, threading, and serialization. It also offers support for various system functions, including diagnostics, configuration, and resource management. Additionally, the base class library provides specialized libraries like system.web for web development, system.windows.forms for creating graphical user interfaces, system.drawing for graphic handlings, and system.data for database interactions. By offering a rich set of ready-to-use components, the FCL significantly reduces development time and ensures consistent functionalities across different .NET applications. Developers can easily access these libraries to build scalable, secure, and efficient software solutions. The .NET Framework supports three main application types: WinForms for building desktop applications with a GUI, ASP.NET for creating dynamic web applications and services, and ADO.NET for developing data-driven applications with efficient database access. This versatility allows developers to build software solutions tailored to various platforms and needs. Visual Studio.NET is a powerful development environment for building .NET applications. It features an intuitive integrated development environment with tools like syntax highlighting, code completion, and project templates to enhance productivity. Additionally, its robust debugging tools, including breakpoints and performance monitoring, helps developer efficiently identifying and resolve issues, ensuring high quality .NET applications. ADO.NET is a data access technology within the .NET framework that provides powerful tool for managing data from various sources such as databases and XML files. It is designed to efficiently handle data access in both connected and disconnected environments. One of the key features of ADO.NET is its introduction of new objects such as datasets, which allow developers to work with data in memory without maintaining a continuous database connections. This improves scalability and performance in applications. ADO.NET also efficiently separates connected and disconnected issues, ensuring developers can manage data connections efficiently. This separation enhances flexibility, especially when working with large datasets or distributed systems. Another important feature is its language neutral data access capability, allowing developers to interact with data in a consistent way regardless of the programming language they are using. Additionally, ADO.NET uses the same data types as the common language runtime, ensuring capability and reducing data conversions overhead during application development. Lastly, ADO.NET offers great support for XML, enabling seamless integration of XML data into .NET applications. This feature is particularly useful for web services, data sharing, and data storage in structured form. By combining these features, ADO.NET simplifies data handling, enhancing performance, and providing developers with a flexible and robust framework for managing data in .NET applications. The .NET framework offers several standout features that contribute to its popularity and effectiveness in application development. These key features include less coding and increased reuse of code. .NET's extensive library of pre-built components and reusable code reduces the amount of manual coding required. This enhances development speed and ensures consistency across applications. Reliability. .NET applications are known for their stability and robust error handling capabilities. This framework's strong exceptional handling, garbage collection, and memory management features contributes to improved reliability. Security. .NET incorporates advanced security mechanisms such as code, access security, and role-based security, which safeguard applications from potential threats. Language interoperability. One of .NET's most powerful feature is its ability to allow multiple programming languages to work together seamlessly. This flexibility empowers developers to choose the language best suited for different part of their project. Deployment. .NET simplifies the deployment process with features like Xcopy deployment, click once, and version control mechanisms. These tools reduce the complexity of distributing and updating applications. By offering these robust features, .NET empowers developers to create scalable, secure, and efficient software solutions for various platforms and environments. The .NET framework is widely adopted across various industries due to its powerful compatibilities. Here are some real-world applications of .NET. Enterprise software. Major organizations like Microsoft, IBM, and others rely on .NET to build large-scale enterprise applications. These systems often involve complex business logic, data processing, and user management, making .NET's reliability and scalability crucial for delivering robust solutions. Mobile applications using Xamarin. Xamarin, a powerful .NET-based framework, allows developers to create mobile applications for iOS and Android using a single code base. This cross-platform capability enhances productivity and ensures a consistent user experience across different devices. Cloud applications with Azure. .NET integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Azure, enabling developers to build and deploy powerful cloud-based applications. This combination allows businesses to scale efficiently, improve performance, and ensure data security in cloud environment. .NET is a flexible and powerful framework that supports multiple languages and platforms. Its robust architecture, security features, and performance optimizations make it a top choice for developers. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. For more content on computing and trading, be sure to subscribe to Dr. At All. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.